Listen to me. See, the High Command, whatever decision it takes, both of us will obey.
ಸರ್ ಡಿ ಕೆ ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತಿನ ಚರ್ಚೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ
ಸಿಎಂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತಿನ ಚರ್ಚೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ
ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತಿನಂತೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಗೋ ಟುಗೆದರ್.
Sir, can you clarify, is the 2.5 years agreement is there or not?
No, whatever High Command tells.
So, is there agreement? So, agreement is there 2.5 years or not?
ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. Whatever High Command tells, you will obey.
Sir, at least, sir,
you understood it or not?
No, I agree.
This is my reply to your question.
Sir, status quo till assembly.
ಯಥಾಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಯಥಾಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಯಥಾಸ್ಥಿತಿ.
See, we go together. There are no differences between me and D.K. Shivakumar. We face the election, assembly. We have worked out a strategy how to face the BJP and JDS, and we will face it.
ವಚನ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
I don't know. They are telling that no confidence motion will be moved. It will also face it. Or adjournment motion, if they want to bring, whatever discussions they